Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M5s and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the wallpaper section. If you will open it for the very first time, your device will ask you to agree to all of the terms and conditions, because we will be automatically transferred to the section with the themes, the ringtones and so on. So just tap on agree then and enter the wallpaper. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the wallpapers which are provided by the Xiaomi themes, so you can simply pick something from those. If you'd like to check those which are defaultly installed on the device, then you'll have to go to the profile and then let's tap on the wallpapers. And as you can see right here, you've got the system wallpaper, so of course you can pick one of those and set them as your wallpaper. You've got also my live wallpapers and home screen effects. And if you'd like to set your photo as the wallpaper, just tap on this plus icon. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you will allow the themes to access the photo and media on your device. So of course you will have to tap on allow. As you can see, the permission is required. But let me get back because I think I will pick something from those, let's say, online wallpapers. And basically all you have to do in order to check the preview of the wallpaper is to simply tap on it. And as you can see, usually you will enter the sets of the wallpapers. Here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. All of them are connected with the butterflies, as you can see. They're kind of pretty. So if you want to check the preview of the wallpaper, then simply tap on it. And as you can see, it will appear on the full screen. You can see how it will look like on the lock screen. For example, here we've got this clock. And if you're happy with your choice, what's more, sometimes you will be able to change the position of the wallpaper, especially if it will be a really long one. As you can see, I can do it right here also, so let me set it like that and simply tap on apply. And now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. As you can see, we've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied. So now let's go back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper is right now on the home screen. Let's check the lock screen also. And it is also visible right here. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your POCO M5s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.